everyone, and today we are here at the Country Cascades Waterpark Resort in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. We're going to check out the room, check out all the amenities and the features they have here, and of course the water park. So stick around, stay tuned, and let's get started, shall we? Country Cascades is made up of two buildings. Here is the River View building. Just past there you can see the water park in the distance, and there is the water park view building. Here is a better look at the water park balconies. We are now going to go inside and we're going to check out the lobby and the check-in process. Here is what the lobby looks like as you walk inside. You have the luggage buggies, a beautiful fireplace. The check-in desk is off to the right in the corner. Nice spacious lobby. Country Cascades is cashless, and when you enter through the lobby to the checking in, on average it's $119 throughout the week and $199 on the weekend. Also, when you check in, you are charged $100 deposit per night that is used either for a security deposit you get back at the end of your stay here, or you can charge your room with all the different activities you do, and whatever you don't use you will get back. When you check into your room, they give you these bracelets for all the guests in your party. These are your room key and the key to some of the features here at the resort. Let's go inside. As we come inside, here's a first look of the room. We will start off with the kids space. I am strong, I am kind, I am giving, I am hardworking, I am patient, I am brave. Notice they have this really cool themed log cabin room for kids only. And they have really cool wall decorations for this room. And when you walk in, there are two twin-sized bunk beds on either wall, with a TV smack dab in the middle. The bunk beds are decorated real nicely with pictures of forests and treasure hunting. They come equipped with one pillow and the blanket, which is really nice, and the fun picture. I love the sheets and the blankets. Like this one has the clubhouse and mountain views and sun. As you're walking through the room, you notice there's a safe right here with a cabin treasure hunt. And the cabin treasure hunt says how many bumblebees can you find, how many compasses are on the map, how many snails are in the forest, how many gold coins can you find. And you're supposed to add up all these things, and the numbers you come up with is the combination to the lock on the safe, and there's supposed to be treats inside. On the bunks right here you can see compasses and coins on the top bunk, and if you go down you see bumblebees and snails on the bottom. And once you find all those things, yeah, you definitely use your paper right here and you can go in the safe for the prices. Moving forward on the tour is the bathroom, and there's a nice toilet with a shower tub combination and beautiful Smoky Mountain Mist Company organic soap, shampoo, and body wash in fancy hold me containers on the wall. So now we're going to check out the water pressure. And yeah, that's a nice water pressure. Once you leave the bathroom, you will come up to the sink and the mirror where you can do all your fun morning routine. They have the towels right underneath, which is really nice. Fancy holder for the hand wash and body lotion. Comes with a box of tissue. There's your ice bucket, fun table. Here we have our master bedroom, which is the king size bed. The very nice blanket and pillow with the black bears on them. You have nightstand tables on either side with the lamps. A desk with a really nice big TV. A cozy chair for sitting and lounging. This fantastic poster of the Great Smoky Mountains National Park. And right here you have your dresser / closet, which is really nice and spacious. Comes with a laundry bag, a few hangers, your ironing board, and the iron. Here is the best part, if you didn't see it from the sneak preview, the balcony. And this overlooks the water park. It is beautiful and sunny outside right now, but currently the water park is being enjoyed outside. Guess what? Like in March, it's 60 degrees outside right now, give or take. And yeah, the water park is heated to 82 degrees. So the water is enjoyable from March until they close. And at nighttime, you want to relax, you can come down onto the patio and sit at the fire pits and lounge in the chairs and just enjoy the sounds of the river. Let's play the game.
Alright, sweetheart, we need to find out how many bumblebees can you guys count? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, let's go put 8 in on this. Let's see.
I know how to put 8.
This one, honey, right here. Put that on 8.
Which one? This one?
Yep.
Oops. 1, 2, 4.
How many are on this one?
1.
Just one. How many you see on this one?
2.
How many snails are in the forest, baby girl?
1.
Is that 2? Is there any on this side?
3. 3, 4. Is that 4?
Yeah, that's 4.
You said it right, Elijah. 6.
Yeah, what's next?
6.
6, there you go. Come on.
6.
Last one, let's see if you guys got the lucky treasure.
I hope we got it.
Alright, Elijah, you know what? You open it up. What you guys got?
Open it.
No, pull it open, dude. What's in there?
What?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, what's in there? Show me. Get all your stuff out.
Oh,
Put it right here. Put all your stuff right here, babies. On top of the box. Put it right there. All your snacks and stuff. Put it on top of the box. Put it right here. Money. Squeezies. Put it all up here, honeys. Wow, that's cool.
Can I play with these?
Yeah, is that all we got?
Yeah. I like these.
We got a police car. We got bubble popper. You want this one, Sandra? You want this? Elijah, you want that one? And you guys all share these ones, okay? Was that fun?
Yeah, can you open this?
Yeah. Wow, you guys built that? Show it
Did we
off.
build it? Show Mama what you did.
Papa.
Oh,
Okay.
pep car. Hooray. Let me see. I see. That is so cool.
Mama.
You like it? Good night, Sissy.
Good night. Good night. Sweetie. Good night. Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
Good night.
I said good night.
We are here in the Galactic Galaxy arcade, and here is the bowling section.